Greetings from Stora Flatenbadet in Stockholm. And yes, it is summer, 27th of June 2025, 5:30 p.m. And the weather today is quite the opposite, I would say, from yesterday. As it was 24 and sunny yesterday, today is 17 and cloudy, depressing, and with light rain here and there. But the show must go on, and I am ready to take a swim. Well, not just a swim, but also a dive, or actually jump, as I don't know how to dive, from that big platform over there. That might be 5 meters, I think. And I have jumped from there previously, last year maybe, but I think it will be first time this year, if I'm not completely mistaken now, because I have lost track with all my travels around the world. But I know that today is beach day number 42 on my Sweden beach adventures, and I first thought to go somewhere closer at Badet, which is only 6 kilometers, but then I thought, okay, let's cycle anyway. So as it was raining earlier today, the ground is a bit wet, and I don't really like to get my beautiful cube wet, but I will definitely need to clean it after this weather. And this trip took me one way, 10 kilometers. And here is my cube. And yesterday evening, or actually at 2 a.m., I had a psychotic episode and I bought or ordered a new bike. I was looking for a hybrid bike to replace my stolen Ghost, which is a hybrid with road tires though. And I have bought another gravel like my Scott, but with a flat steering. So it's technically a hybrid, as I don't usually like that road racing frame in the front like I have on the Cube and on the Scott as well, because I usually like to cycle more up front. So yeah, anyway, I ordered it. Then if it doesn't fit, I will sell it or return it. We have very good return policies here in Sweden. So enough about that, let's go and jump from the jumping platform at Stora Flatenbadet. Now I have passed by this beach yesterday on my way to Erstavik, and the parking lot was super full with hundreds and hundreds of cars. Today I saw only 3 cars, and those people are not on the beach as the beach is empty. They are maybe hiking or walking around this beautiful nature reserve, Flaten. Yes, this is Lake Flaten, and I can see my nudist beach spot over there at Ekuden, where I usually go to avoid the crowds. But today there are no crowds at all here at Stora Flatenbadet, one of the most popular beaches actually in South Stockholm. And it has been quite a while since I have been walking up on this jumping platform. Oh, I didn't measure the water, but I will measure it later and put it in the description. But I think it should be around 16 or 17 degrees compared to how it has been before. Oh, there is even a smaller, lower jumping platform here that may be 3.5 meters. But well, since I'm already jumping, why not jump from the highest? I have actually jumped for Midsummer Day in the sea, where the water was even colder than this. So this would not be a challenge. Or actually it was not this high. Now that I see this, I get a bit of a bit afraid, but I'm not afraid of heights, because otherwise why would I be standing this high up on Lake Flaten? And we have here beautiful view. Let me show you around what I see on this platform. There we're starting at Ekuden, there at the forest, and we are continuing there towards the north part of the lake, which is basically nature all around. And there are some nice rocks that I have been visiting, and it ends over there at the east part, continuing here with some more forest that goes some way to Dreviken Lake on that side actually. And there is the Dreviken Lake also behind that forest as well. And here we have Stora Flatenbadet, the main big public beach here that has 3 jetties to use to jump from or go into the water. And then we have some kind of a platform for sitting and enjoying. And 2 more beaches on that front. The first one there is the child's beach, Barnbadet, and then we have Lilla Flatenbadet at the end that is not visible. And I have been talking too much. I'm a bit hesitating to jump now, but I must jump now because yeah, it is what it is. I have already chosen to come here today. So are you ready for the jump from this? It feels more than 5 meters, even though it feels very high. I have jumped once also or twice from 10 meters at Badet in Nynäshamn. But okay, let's secure the GoPro once again. I get adrenaline rush. And then we are ready, set, and go! Okay, I have drank some lake water, but it was nice. Oh my god, it's so high. How did I manage to jump from there? It's incredible. The water is so warm. It feels like actually more than 17 degrees, as I told you. And it's amazing. Such an amazing feeling, despite my adrenaline went up so much. I really enjoyed my jump here on this platform that looks so huge. So yeah, that's it then from today's beach adventure at Stora Flatenbadet. I'm now the only person in the lake, as I'm the one of the few beach adventurers that are doing this. So thank you so much for watching. Greetings to Stora Flatenbadet, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.